Making money as a screenwriter can be both fulfilling and financially rewarding, but it requires dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach. Here's a detailed guide on how to potentially make money writing screenplays. Master the craft. Before anything else, focus on honing your screenwriting skills. Study successful screenplays. Take courses, read books, and practice writing consistently. A strong foundation is essential for creating compelling stories that resonate with audiences. Create marketable scripts. Research current market trends and genres that are in demand. Write screenplays that cater to popular genres, addressing themes and concepts that resonate with a wide audience. Originality is key, but a balance between innovation and commercial viability is crucial. Write multiple scripts. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Develop a portfolio of diverse scripts to showcase your versatility as a writer. Having multiple scripts increases your chances of finding a match with potential buyers. Network and build relationships. Attend industry events, film festival, workshops, and join screenwriting organizations. I can't say this enough. Building a network of industry professionals, including agents, managers, producers, and other writers, can open doors to opportunities and increase your visibility. Enter screenwriting competition. Participate in reputable screenwriting competitions. I have won several awards in the past. Winning or placing in these contests can not only provide financial rewards, but also attract attention from industry insiders. Query letters and pitching. Craft compelling query letters and pitches to grab the attentions of agents, managers, or producers. Clearly articulate your script's concepts, its unique selling points, and why it's worthwhile investment. Online screenwriting platforms. Utilize online platforms like the Blacklist, where you can host your scripts and receive evaluation from industry professionals. Positive feedback and high scores can gain attention and potential interest from industry players. Collaborate and adapt. Collaborate with filmmakers, directors, or producers to adapt your screenplay into a film. Many successful screenwriters initially gained recognition by working with others to bring their stories to life. Self-producing and crowdfunding. Consider self-producing your screenplay or crowdfunding to finance the project. Successful independent films often lead to industry recognition and increased opportunities too, Pitching to studios and production companies. Once you have a polished script and a well-crafted pitch, target studios and production companies that align with your screenplays, the genre and the themes, previous work and submission guidelines before reaching out. Optioning and selling. If your script generates interest, you may receive an option agreement or an outright purchase. And an option agreement grants exclusive rights to scripts for a specified period, while an outright purchase involves selling the scripts right. I'm sure you guys already know that. Negotiate your contracts wisely. If your script is optioned or purchased, ensure that you negotiate contracts fairly. Consult with a legal professional or entertainment attorney to protect your rights and interest. Remember, breaking into the industry takes time, and rejection is a common part of the process. Just stay persistent, continuously improving your craft and remain open to feedback and collaboration. Success as a screenwriter often requires a combination of talent, hard work, and a bit of luck, but I call that grace. If you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe. And leave your notification button on to notify you when we have the next video. Thanks and stay tuned.